Hello, Epic Peeps. What is up? It is me, Josh, aka Josh Papsika. And I am here with TheWebkinzEpic, or AnimalJamWolves, whatever you want to call it. Hey guys. Yeah. We're playing Falling Phantoms with TheWebkinzEpic, so let's get started. I mean, it don't matter what game we play. Also, I was talking to Online Gaming 2, another Animal Jam channel, and he said he's gonna add me, and maybe I'll be in one of his videos. So I'll give you a link to both of their channels. So in case you wanna know. Oh crap! I just wanted to play this, and TheWebkinzEpic's making a video too. So I'm just gonna call this a collaboration with TheWebkinzEpic. So. Crap. Oh, no, I'm freaking sad of my accomplishment. Oh my gosh, look at that mohawk. That's an epic mohawk. I'm chewing gum right now too. So I had a lot of crappy work, and you guys know how much I hate work. Cannot stand it. So I had elective homework, lots of math homework, and I still have to do history, but it's just studying for a test. So you guys know that I'm addicted with Animal Jams now, so it's really fun. I might record another video, hopefully. Yeah. Oh crap. Don't kill me! I know it's about to die. Oh, I did good on that one. I did pretty good. 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 How much about it? Okay, it's only been 2.5 minutes, and I'm already like, I don't know. I've already got like 300 gems. This is a fast way to earn gems, though. I'm just saying. So I recommend this game a lot. And so does AnimalJamWolves or TheWebkinzEpic. We both recommend this game. And Online Gaming 2. He likes this game too. I mean, everybody should love this game. It's an addicting game with... It's multiplayer too. I love the multiplayer games. It gives it kind of a nice way to meet other people. Like, get new peeps in videos for me. But, like... So, I'm not leaving the game like yet, but I'm like leaving the game, if you know what I mean. Yeah, no. I know. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, I kept clicking no, that's why. Hey. Oh, and also WebkinzFan2012 is here. So, it's fun. Oh my gosh. It makes the stupidest sounds. Maybe like me and this fox right here, this ninja fox, can like make an alliance, maybe? Maybe we could like make an alliance. That lion's gonna get killed if he just sits there. He's gonna get knocked off the platform. Okay. Got it. Yay. But yeah, it's just a collaboration with AnimalJamWolves or TheWebkinzEpic. So I'm also gonna be telling you some news right now while I'm playing it. I mean, it's gonna be really hard, but it's gonna be a challenge for me. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, playing from okay, I guess we're not. Also, if you play Animal Jams, I got a question for you. What's the earliest time you've ever gotten on Animal Jams? I won once. Tell them my user. Tell them my name. Hold on, tell them my name. I want you to tell them my name. Tell them my name. Tell them my name. Oh well. Yeah, we're gonna go again. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So we never make it on the same game. That's what sucks. The only time I've ever met a friend on the game is only once, and it's with Webkinzfan2012. But it's fun. So, some updates, I guess. Well, there really isn't much to talk about, so I guess we can just play the game. I said we were going to have updates, and it turns out I don't have any. The only thing I have to say is I had a lot of work. So, there you go. Yeah, you guys, my voice is like really scratchy, you know. The old scratch. I know it hurts in some places, but other places, you know, it don't hurt at all in some places. Some places it hurts, but you just have to get over it. Oh, another Animal Jam update. When on my Animal Jam videos, I'm going to start doing Animal Jam updates if I have any. And on my Webkinz videos, I'm going to do Webkinz updates if I have any. So, an update, I won a bunny plush. You guys happy about me? I know. Yes, I won! Sorry about that. Sorry for being so loud. I won! I won! Oh, I got a new message. Yeah, it's from one of my friends. Tell them my... Tell them my name! Tell them first. Thank you. Thanks. It's up to you too. It's up to you too. No problem. Hello. Face palm. Penguins only. Yeah, add him too. And thanks. Shano3311. Yeah, he just commented it too. Bye. So yeah, before I go, I'm gonna show you my epic. Oh, she's here too. My plush. There it is. So yeah, since he's ending his video, I'm gonna end my video. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.